and welcome back to my channel. My name is Justine. So today I'm going to bring you guys along while I clean my fridge. I'm going to be taking everything out, checking the dates, and just kind of organizing it a little bit, getting it ready for my groceries that I'm picking up, you know, just so that it's just nice and clean. I just wanted to clean it just because I haven't done it in a while, to be honest with you. So I thought I would just show you guys what my fridge looks like, how I clean it, and kind of how I organize it. So let's get started. So I thought I would show you guys a before and after. So this is what my fridge looks like right now. Everything's just kind of thrown everywhere in there, you can see. So my daughter is going to help me. We're going to take all this stuff out. We're going to, like I said, check the dates. We're going to organize it a little bit better and wipe everything down and wash everything up just so that it's nice and clean and it's ready and it'll be a little bit more organized. So let's get started on that project. open it up and we'll show them how it looks now. So here we cleaned it all out. We wiped everything out as you saw, and we kind of organized it a little bit, you know, like put all the leftovers in one section, put all the sandwich stuff in the drawer, eggs and baking stuff is up there. So, I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks so much better, and now we know what's in here. And I went through all the dates, and actually we didn't have anything that was bad. So, I mean, we're good to go, but it looks so much better, and I feel so much better about this. So this looks so good, and I'm happy that we got this project done. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you guys some cleaning motivation, or just, you know, just enjoy watching me clean, because you know what? I do love to clean. I love to get these projects done. This is a lot of fun for me. And like I said at the beginning of my video, now I'm really happy to have this done. I know what's in here. I know the dates and stuff on everything now, and everything just looks so much better. It's so clean and organized. I know it's not like perfect, but it looks so much better, and I'm happy with that. So, but if you like what you saw, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys all soon with another video. So until next time,